So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find exactly which drivers your PC is using. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open a CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. Now, once you do that, it may ask for permission. Just simply hit yes. And here, all you need to do is to just simply write driver query and hit enter. Now it in just couple of seconds it has generated the list of all the installed drivers in my system. Here you can see the list and you can check the last usage as well, or even when the driver is installed in the system. Here you can see the link date as well, the driver type, the display name of the driver, and the module name as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.